Enterprise presents Manage My Notifications. To make user adoption easier, Enterprise offers a wide range of options to personalize your working environment. In this tutorial, we'll focus on notifications. I'm Lisa, Sales Director, and I'm checking my notifications. For each one, I can view more details by clicking the arrow. I can filter them and focus only on those I haven't read yet. I can also adjust my tracking preferences by choosing to stop following an entity. I can also manage my notifications at a global level, clicking on the gear wheel. This way, for every entity I'm linked to, I'll receive a notification whenever the specified condition is met and the box is ticked. For example, I'll be notified for every project assigned to me, for every opportunity assigned to me, or linked to me that is modified, deleted, or has a link added or changed. I'll be informed, and so on. Beyond these default notifications, I might want to follow a specific entity. Nothing could be easier. I simply open the entity's record and click the Follow button. By clicking on my profile picture again and selecting Manage My Notifications, I can see, entity by entity, the full list of items I'm following and the conditions under which I receive notifications. Here, I can adjust them on the fly and stay in control of my notifications. Now, it's over to you. Configure your notifications and boost your efficiency every day.